Recent discussions about Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip FE have raised questions about which chipset will power the upcoming foldable device. Earlier reports suggested that the Exynos 2500 would be the chosen processor, but fresh leaks indicate that Samsung has yet to finalize this decision. This uncertainty could be promising news for those who have previously criticized Exynos chips for their performance issues. Samsung's in-house Exynos processors have had a mixed history. While the Exynos 2400 showed some improvements, Samsung ultimately decided to rely entirely on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite for the Galaxy S25 series. This move surprised many and led to speculation that the Exynos 2500 would instead debut with the Galaxy Z Flip 7. However, when that didn't happen, rumors surfaced that the new Exynos chip would be introduced with the Galaxy Z Flip FE. Now, even that possibility seems to be in question. According to a new report from the Bell, Samsung is still considering its options and has not made a final call. The Galaxy Z Flip FE is expected to launch in the fourth quarter of this year, giving the company a few more months to decide. However, opinions within Samsung's mobile division are divided. Some executives believe that using the Exynos 2500 would be beneficial for the company's semiconductor business, helping to strengthen its presence in the market. Others worry that it could negatively impact the phone's overall performance, making it less competitive. The foldable smartphone market is becoming increasingly competitive, with Chinese manufacturers pushing innovation at a rapid pace. A major concern about Exynos processors has been their track record of lower efficiency and performance compared to Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips. Many Samsung users associate Exynos-powered phones with overheating and battery drain issues, which could affect the Galaxy Z Flip FE's appeal if the company decides to move forward with the in-house chip. Reports suggest that while the Exynos 2500 was initially considered, its chances of being used in this device are now diminishing. Despite the uncertainty, Samsung's semiconductor team remains determined to prove itself. The company's chip manufacturing division, Samsung Foundry, has been facing challenges in securing major clients for its 3nm production process. If the Exynos 2500 delivers strong performance, it could help improve Samsung's standing in the chip-making industry, even if it doesn't significantly impact sales of the Galaxy Z Flip FE. A successful Exynos launch could demonstrate that Samsung is capable of producing processors that can compete with industry leaders like TSMC. Both Samsung Foundry and System LSI, the division responsible for Exynos chip development, are making a strong push for the Exynos 2500 to be included in the Galaxy Z Flip FE. They are also focused on the next generation Exynos 2600, aiming to reestablish Samsung's reputation in the premium processor market. However, the mobile division must carefully weigh these internal ambitions against consumer expectations. A poorly received Exynos-powered foldable device could damage the company's foldable lineup, especially at a time when foldable phones are gaining mainstream attention. If Samsung ultimately decides to go with Qualcomm's Snapdragon processor for the Galaxy Z Flip FE, it would likely mean better overall performance, battery efficiency, and stability, making it a safer choice for users. On the other hand, choosing Exynos would be a strategic decision to support Samsung's chip-making division, even though it carries the risk of consumer backlash. At this stage, there is no clear answer. Should Samsung take a chance on the Exynos 2500 to strengthen its semiconductor business, or should it stick with the proven reliability of Snapdragon chips? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for the latest tech news. More updates are coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have you ever imagined just how slim a smartphone can get without sacrificing its performance? Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge may be on the brink of answering that question, but there's a twist to the story. The Galaxy S25 Edge is poised to give Apple's iPhone 17 Air a run for its money. Both of these upcoming smartphones are expected to wow us with their incredibly slim designs, but the real question is, how slim can they go while still offering the powerful features we expect from premium devices? The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be around 6.25mm thick, while the Galaxy S25 Edge could potentially come in even thinner at 6.4mm, with some speculations hinting that it may be as thin as 5.8mm. But let's not focus solely on how thin these phones are. There's also something else to consider. OnePlus is preparing to unveil the Open 2, which could be as thin as 4mm when unfolded. Yes, a foldable phone at just 4mm. However, let's return to the Galaxy S25 Edge, which has sparked plenty of buzz due to its early performance results. Recently, the Galaxy S25 Edge appeared on Geekbench, a well-known benchmarking tool that evaluates a phone's performance by testing its processor, graphics, and overall speed. It measures how well a device handles multitasking, gaming, and overall performance. The first test results for the Galaxy S25 Edge were exactly consistent, with a score of 3005 in the single-core test and 6945 in the multi-core test. But more recent results have shown a notable shift. The updated benchmarks show that the Galaxy S25 Edge scored 2,806 in the single-core test, slightly lower than before, but it achieved a much stronger score of 8,416 in the multi-core test. This suggests that the phone could be more efficient at handling multiple tasks at once, which is a major plus for those who use their phones for gaming or multitasking. That said, it's important to remember that these are early test results, and the device isn't official yet, so these figures should be taken with a pinch of salt. Performance aside, Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to feature some impressive specs, including a 200-megapixel main camera that will surely appeal to photography enthusiasts. On the front, the phone will likely sport a 12-megapixel selfie camera. The display will be equipped with an LTPO panel that offers a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2,600 nits. If that's not bright enough for you, I'm not sure what is. For durability, Samsung is expected to include an Armor aluminum frame and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, making the Galaxy S25 Edge resistant to drops and scratches. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Edge will likely be powered by 12 GB of random access memory, RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring that the device runs fast and efficiently, even when handling large files and apps. It will also feature support for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB-C 3.2, ensuring quick data transfer and seamless connectivity. In terms of charging, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to support 25-watt charging speeds. While this might not be the fastest charging solution available, it should be more than enough for quick top-ups throughout the day. As for the processor, while it hasn't been officially confirmed, it's likely that the Galaxy S25 Edge will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, with Samsung likely sticking with Qualcomm for this generation. We might see Exynos chips return in the Galaxy S26, but for now, the Snapdragon 8 Elite seems like the safer choice. One thing to keep in mind is the battery. While the battery might be smaller than previous models, the Snapdragon 8 Elite's efficiency should allow the Galaxy S25 Edge to last all day without any major issues. At least it better. If you're as excited about the Galaxy S25 Edge as I am, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have you been waiting for the One UI 7 update on your Samsung phone? The wait could be nearly over. For the past few months, Samsung fans have been on edge, watching as Galaxy S24 series owners enjoy the beta version of the upcoming update. Meanwhile, millions of other users have been stuck on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, wondering when they'll finally get their hands on the new version. Well, the end of the wait might be closer than we think.